studied about what? Properties of addition and subtraction. We studied on closure property, we studied closure property of addition, closure property of subtraction we studied, and commutative property, associative property, and additive inverse. We did all the things. Yes, we did each one. Yesterday I told you the homework that each property, on each property you have to write 5 sums. Yes, you have to solve it and send me. Okay, when we are sending the homework, that day itself I want homework. Don't make a delay in that homework. Okay, okay children, we'll move on to the our exercise number 1.2 now. Exercise number 1.2 children. Okay, this exercise is totally depends on the properties. Yes, this exercise is totally depend on the properties. What are properties we are studied now, not till now. Depending on only this is the property. Now these are the problems. Okay, first one. Write down a pairs of integers whose sum is -7. So what they are giving? They are giving just a sums. Sum andre na total answer they are giving. We have to find out the values. Sum andre na kudsudu. Difference andre na minus. Okay, I will write here. Sum means adding, addition, and difference means subtraction. Okay, sum means this is the names. Okay, the other name of using the addition and subtraction, the other way of you naming the addition and subtraction. Okay, first one, write down the pairs of integers. We have to write the questions there. They given an answer. The first question is sum is -7. Our ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರ. So ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ. They given an answer -7. Yes, we have to find out the first integer, second integer. They given an answer. So now, what is the first integer children? To get a -7. So -10 and 3. 10 -10 we have to take. Then only we can do the minus here. So minus ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ answer. So we have to take a minus sign here. -10 plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟು? -7. So the pair of integers are -10 and okay, -10 and okay. Now next we'll move on to the next one. Now difference is -10. Now think, what is the answer children? What is the answer now? Difference is -10. Okay, here also, but see, listen here. Here they given a difference. In the first question we got sum. Here we got difference. Difference andre ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? I told you subtraction. Okay, so here they given a question difference. Okay, so this one we have to find out. Difference means minus, and this one they given an answer. Okay, minus sign, middle is minus sign. Okay, what is the answer then? What is the answer? -6 and 4. Minus of minus will be plus. 6 plus 4 will be 10. But we are writing the sign of greater number, -10. Yes? Yes? Third one. We'll move on to the third one. We'll move on to the third one. Copy it children. Copy it in your book. Copy it in your book children. Okay. Third one. C1. Sum is 0. 0. We have to find this one plus sign. Sum is 0. So what was number? -3 plus 3. -3 plus 3 will be 0. -3 plus 3 will be 0. The pair of integers are minus 3 and 3. Okay, this is the first main. Now we move on to the second one. Second main. The write a pair of a negative integer whose difference gives 8. Whose difference gives 8. In ಅದರ ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ. ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 8. ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಅದರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳತಾರ. They are not telling to find out the addition there. They are telling subtraction. So first one, second main A problem. Second main A problem. They are telling two pair of two negative integers. They are telling take a negative integer here also and middle also minus and this also negative. Answer will be 8. Both we have to take negative and we have to do the negative only and we have to get 8. So what number we have to write there? Minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2 and minus 10. Now do what we get? Minus into minus will be plus. Okay. But here we have a minus. But plus into minus will be minus. So 10 minus 2 will be what? 8. Yes, 8. Next one. Here we have to write the pair of negative integers are minus 2 minus 10. Okay, the B sum. Copy that. Copy children that. Next one, write a negative integer and positive integer whose sum is. Okay, the our ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So the answer will be have to come minus 5. Okay, they are given a question like this. See, one will be positive plus one will be negative, but answer will be what? Minus 5. One will be positive, one will be negative, but we have to do the addition and we have to get minus 5. Then what is the values there? What is the value? 6 minus okay, here I will take minus, here I will take plus. Okay, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Yes. Okay, the pair of integers are minus 6 and 1. C1. Next one. Write a negative integer and the positive integer whose difference is minus 3. ಈಗ minus ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. They given a value here. What? One is negative, one is positive. Okay. One is negative, but here minus. One is positive. But the answer is what? Minus 3. ಹಂಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು? minus 1. minus 1 ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? 2. Minus into minus will be plus. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. But the sign minus we have to write. But the sign will be minus. The pair of integers are minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2. Okay, minus 1 and 2. Okay. Now third question. Copy this, children. All of you please copy this correctly. I want answers correct. In your classwork you have to write these all answers. Okay? These all answers you have to write in classworks. Okay? We'll move on to the third one now. We'll move on to the third question now. Okay, I will read it. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0 and minus 40. in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Or in another ಎರಡು group ಅದಾವ, team A, team B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎರಡು group ಅದಾವ. Okay, team A, team B. Okay, these are the two groups. They are scoring like this: -40, 10 and 0. This is scoring like 10, 0 and -40. ಎಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ 3 ಇವು ಏನ rounds ಒಳಗೆ. ಇದು round 1. Round 1. Okay, how I am doing, like that only you also have to write in your book. Okay, round 1 they both scored -40, and round 2 round 3 they scored like this. Okay, now after doing this one, they are telling which team scored more. What we have to do, we have to just add total. Okay, total it. -40, 10 plus 10 will be -30. 0 minus 30. Here also 10 plus 0 will be 10 only. 10 minus 40 plus will be -30 only. Yes, they both got what? Same number of. Yes, same. They both team A, write down this one. Team A and team B scored same. One more question they are asking. Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can add. Yes, we can add integers in any order. We can add integers in any order. We can add it. Hingu add madri, we get the same answer. Any order we can add. So copy this, children. Like this only you also have to solve. I want like this only. Okay, copy it correctly in your classwork and right click this only. Then only you can identify. Okay, understood? Copy it. 2 minutes. Okay, within 2 seconds you have to copy it. Fast. Copy this. Okay, now we'll move on to the 4th main. Okay, fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Okay, they given us statements there, we have to make it true. Okay, they given us blanks there, we have to fill that and we have to show them that it is a true statement. Yes. Okay, the first one, -5 plus -8 is equals to -8 plus dash they given. What we have to write? We have to they are just reversing the number. See, this 8 they are writing first. So what we have to write? This 5 we have to write there. So the statement is true. The statement is true. Right? True. Okay? The next one. B. Next one. -53 plus dash is equals to -53. What we have to add here? Yes, we have to add 0. Obviously we get that number itself. Okay, it is a additive inverse. This property holds to the additive inverse. Okay, here they are showing the properties. Each statement shows the properties. Third one, 17 plus dash is equals to 0. What we have to do there? What we have to add here to get 0? -17. If we write -17, we get what? 0. Next one, 13 plus -12 plus dash 12 plus minus 7. So they given a statement here. Associative property it is. Yes, associative property na? Grouping of numbers. Yes, exactly associative property. They given a statement here, but they are missing one number here. Okay, they are continued here. Minus 13 is there here. Minus 12 is there here. One number is missing, that is minus 7. So dash in the dash place we have to write minus 7. Next one. Minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 is equals to minus 4 plus 15 plus dash. See here, this is also associative property. Minus 4 is there, 15 is there. Which number is missing? Minus 3 is missing. So this statement also true. I am not writing here, so write it correctly. This statement is true. Okay, the statement is true. All statement is true. Yes, these all properties showing the properties of addition and subtraction. These all are the properties of addition and properties of subtraction, but different properties we have. Okay, today we completed the exercise number 1.2. Children, you have to solve these all problems in your classwork, not in your homework. You have to solve everything in your classwork. Okay, please solve it. Please complete this exercise. Yes, and the next one, what we did, children, we are just showing the properties. Okay, please complete this exercise in our classwork. We'll move on to the next one, application multiplication of integers in the next class. We'll solve exercise on the next class. See you tomorrow, children.